Welcome to Ayehu Academy, your online learning resource for Ayehu's automation platform. In this video, we'll introduce you to the Academy interface and some of the features available. Ayehu Academy can be found at ayehu.talentlms.com. The first thing you'll want to do is create an account. Once created, you can log in and begin using the LMS or Learning Management System. When you first log in, you'll be taken to the home page. Here you'll see a dashboard with a row displaying information on various metrics. This row is referred to as the info box. Below the info box are the current courses in your curriculum. To the right of each course, you can click the percentage bar to view your progress in that course. The info bar to the right of that provides more details about that particular course. Above the info box are a group of buttons. The first button toggles the info box off or on. To the right of the info box button is the Order button, which allows you to change the sort order of your courses. Finally, the two buttons to the right of that allow you to change display of your courses from a list view to a tile view. On the right side of your screen, you'll find a sidebar menu. The first option allows you to view the entire course catalog. You can also view your curriculum progress. The default view provides a variety of information. You can also view your progress as an infographic. There are also options for joining a group, participating in discussions, and viewing a calendar. Under the menu named after you at the very top, there are options to quickly take you to all the areas you've just seen. Finally, you can also send and receive simple messages with others in the Academy. This concludes our overview of the Ayehu Academy. Create your account today and you'll be on your way to mastering Ayehu automation in no time.